following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas State Police. An Amber Alert has been issued for Bryson Lavelle Hutchinson, a black male born on December 4th, 2022. He is 36 inches tall and weighs 30 pounds. He has curly black hair and brown eyes. He went missing on September 23rd, 2025 at 30 p.m. He was last seen in England, which is in Roanoke County. He may be traveling with Taikana Monique Hutchinson, a 24-year-old black female. The suspect is 5 feet 4 inches tall with long braided orange hair and brown eyes. The suspect may be wearing a black shirt, blue jean skirt with black knee-high boots. They may be traveling in a white passenger sedan, possible Hyundai Sonata with unknown license plate. If located, please call the Roanoke County Sheriff's Office at 501-566-1223.